Today, I'm going to show you how to link directly to a new Zenler checkout page. Say you don't want to make the sales page. You just want to give someone the link to pay you and check out and get their product. This is super simple. Let's dive into it. So I'm going to my new Zenler account. And then here I am going to go to the back office side of things. I'm going to click on the courses tab. I'm going to, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to create a brand new course. We're just going to title it example. I don't need a subtitle or anything like that. And then just create course. Okay, now the main thing that you're going to need to do is set up pricing first. Okay, so just click to add a new plan. Let's say this is a one-time purchase. You do need to have your Stripe already connected to do this. Okay, and we're just going to type in example here. I'm putting it at $9 and then I'm going to click finish. Okay, now we go to the pages. Okay, here is the page. This is the checkout page that we're going to send people to. Okay, if we click to view, I click the little eye right here to preview the page, and this is what pops up. Okay, so you may want to edit out these things here. I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. So keep watching this tutorial to the end. I'll make it quick, but if you don't care if these things are on here, you could already then send someone this link. You would just click right here where it says copy URL, okay? And then you could send that to someone. Now, your course does need to be published for the checkout page to work, okay? So let's quickly edit this checkout page, okay? We're gonna click that little, if you didn't see me, I'm clicking this little pencil button here, okay? It's opening up the editor. All I'm gonna do is delete. So I click this block, I delete it, okay? I click over here, I delete that. And then I click over here and I delete that. I'm going to add an empty block, okay? Because I'm going to get rid of my header. We delete that. You don't want multiple buttons on a checkout page. I'm going to click save. Here, you know when you send someone the link and it shows the little image that goes with it? So here, obviously, you're not going to title it example. You title it whatever you wanted it to be. And then you do want to add a little image. You can either click to upload one. Maybe I'm doing a boot camp, right? So I could say secrets of social selling boot camp videos. Okay, maybe that's what I'm selling. I click done, and then I'm going to click save. And then you want to scroll down, make sure there's nothing at the bottom here. You should be good to go. Okay, so now I am going to return to the site. We click to publish the course. And then all you're going to do is, again, copy this URL, paste that into the browser, and boom, you're good to go. Someone could check out and buy it.